Since the Industrial Revolution, technology has brought unprecedented life. But the destruction of the environment and the drastic reduction of energy have made humans face serious challenges. Today, energy saving, pollution reduction, environmental protection, and intelligent manufacturing have become the consensus of all human beings around the world. As a national high-tech enterprise, Shenzhen CUMARK New Technology Co Limited has always been committed to helping industrial enterprises improve the level of automation, achieving energy saving and pollution reduction through power electronic drive and automation technology. CUMARK, create a better life with smart drive. The company was founded in 2001, stock code A31251. The headquarters, located in Shenzhen Futian District, R&D and production base, is located in Hongfa Industrial Park, Baoan District. The new CUMARK Smart Drive and Automation R&D headquarters has already been constructed in Guangming District. With years of experience and accumulation, CUMARK has owned a high-quality R&D team with doctors and masters as the backbone, which also makes the company's core technology and product innovation in the leading position. CUMARK, focusing on customer needs, relying on engineering practice, absorbing the world's advanced technology, overcoming the application difficulty, and obtaining a number of core patents in the field of power electronics and electric drive automation, developed a medium voltage and low voltage class, flame-proof and intrinsically safe, multi-series intelligent customized frequency inverter products. In the advanced CUMARK production workshop, each production process is strictly in accordance with the ISO 9001 quality management system. All products, as well as finished product and semi-finished products, must pass physical and chemical performance testing to fully guarantee product quality. With solid technology foundation and high-quality products, CUMARK has awarded a series of honorary titles such as Top 10 Famous Brands in China's Electrical Automation Industry, First Prize of Science and Technology in China's Coal and Mining Industry, First-Class Product Awards, etc. Also, CUMARK is lucky to work as a key member of the drafting of the national standard for electric drive system. In order to better implement customer-centric, providing customers with quality products and commitment to service, CUMARK established a nationwide sales and service network based on customers' location. Through the establishment of overseas distribution system, CUMARK medium voltage inverter and the intelligent drive series has been exported to the major countries in Europe, Asia, Africa, North America, South America, and Oceania. As one of the earliest enterprises in China to develop and produce flame-proof and intrinsically safe medium-voltage inverter, CUMARK stands at the peak of technical field, developed and produced a complete range of water-cooling, flame-proof, and intrinsically safe medium-voltage inverter for multi-level market demand. Mainly used for scraper conveyor, belt conveyor, and other key equipment in million-ton class coal mines. ES9000 series medium voltage of variable frequency drive with world's advanced technology such as flux optimization space vector control technology, simultaneous grid-connected switch technology, 4-quadrant feedback technology, is one of the main product series of CUMARK. The voltage class covers 3.3 kV, 4.16 kV, 6 kV, 10 kV, etc. The power range from 250 to 20,000 kW. ES series low voltage frequency inverter is world-class level high-performance products building visionary intelligent system architecture, high precision, fast dynamic response, suitable for asynchronous, permanent magnet synchronous, synchronous reluctance motors. CUMARK has established a first-class 2,500 kilowatts capability power electric VFD loading test center, which is highly recognized and wide praised by industry experts. It can achieve comprehensive inspection and test, including full load, overload, control accuracy, electrical performance, and various protection functions. As a strategic partner and authorized value provider of ABB, based on insight to system integration patented technology and ABB's high-quality components, CUMARK serves customers in a wide range of industries, including process control, energy conservation consulting, system design, system integration, on-site installation, and commissioning services. CUMARK, a smart drive and service provider committed to provide quality products for the industry upgrade, increasing energy efficiency and reducing production costs. With a goal of efficiency improvement, energy saving, and pollution reduction, making technology and environment harmonious to realize human better life, we believe the dream will come true despite it is hard and long journey. We take the enterprise mission of creating better life with smart drive and keep the enterprise spirit of firm, efficient, and innovative. We believe that CUMARK will be service-oriented, high-tech, and world well-known in the future.